Hey there. Quick update on my windshield. That was one of my projects to start on over the winter because I got a crack when I was in Wisconsin. It's a 13-hour drive, and I was kind of worried about one little patch that a previous owner did around the windshield area. I'm pretty happy to report that once I got the windshield out, it did break a bit more, but it all stayed in one piece, so that's cool. But I'm happy to report that it is not as bad as I thought. Check this out. Most of it is in really good shape, except for that part I was worried about. And it's not too bad, really. So I'm going to see what I can do about that. I'm going to ask a couple of people some questions about how to fix that. I do want to dig this old patch out. The previous owner put liquid nails in there, believe it or not, to plug that up or something, I guess. But I'm really happy. Yeah, I'm really happy. This could have been a lot worse. I've seen horror stories on the Samba and the forums and the Facebook about this kind of stuff. So I'm going to get this cleaned up and get a new windshield installed. So dodged a bullet on this one. Feeling good. Cheers.